In this quick demonstration, we're going to take a look at the new AI button on the property details screen related to property descriptions. So here I am on the property details screen. I've written a very basic description down here, and it contains all the important facts. So the important thing is we need to get the facts into the description for AI to be able to use it. So I've said it's 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 2-car garage, carpet in the bedrooms, large decks and gardens, close to shops, motorways, Henderson Mall. So all the facts are there, but it's not very well written. So what I can now do is use the AI button down here. I click on that and it rewords my description and comes back with, this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home featuring a 2-car garage. The bedrooms are carpeted for added comfort. It boasts spacious decks and beautiful gardens. Its convenient location offers proximity to schools, motorways, Henderson Mall. So that's much better than what I wrote originally. So I can either choose to accept or reject. I think it's much better, so I'm going to accept it. And then I'll just save that, and the new description will come in down here, and I'll just press save. So that's how I can use AI to improve my property descriptions, which I can use for my marketing efforts.